Whiskey for work, whiskey for work.
Yeah. No, no. Please say no, please say no. Whiskey for work, whiskey for work. Hey, my dear Naga people, etu hosa na etu misa ase. Sob manu bhi bhabi sabi aru etu gana tu huni sabi do accountant general AG office ko tu etu ase accountant general gua ase ho yete pensioners nimite kam kuri ho GPF khan kuri take aru payslip khan finalize kuri thaka laga office ase ho etu khan kuri take ho
Manu carnival kam kuri taka tu ajikali kinika chuli ase moi na janne Ani laga neighbors bosti choloni manu khan sob etu system tu na jane hoi jaise Ajikali latest news re ase na ki whiskey for work wa ase na Whiskey khai ke na office te kam kuri bole Mani ase no ki etu hosana Misa ase na Apni huni ke na comment section te kobi na Hoi kobi do
Yo, Kohima's got a team, accountant generals AJ the dream Compiling, consolidating, making the state's finances beam GPF pension, paying allowances too We on the grind, making sure the numbers are true Yeah,
Please say no, whiskey for work,
yeah Audit office on the move, reviewing schemes with care Company accounts finalized, comments fair and square Finance and appropriations scrutinized with might Certified and approved day and night
Please say no, whiskey for work
Yeah, accountant generals, the pillar strong and true Making sure the state's finances are brand new We on the job 24/7 getting it done Nagaland's financial future, we just begun Yeah, please say no
Whiskey for work
Thud naga manu khan kote takile bi corruption high corruption hoi jai she public kam bi tamali misa mishikam bishi kuris ke ho wrong allegation bibishi hoi ase ho kunke bisas kuru bona mata gura hoi jai she kwa
Ajikali manu khan laga favorite words Do whiskey for work hai ase di Ajikali manu khan whiskey for work hoi jai she de